guys, Dolly here, and I have a magic trick. Okay, so first take out the fairy wand and jump, 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 and you're here. See? Told you. Minion! Come here, Minion. Okay, just find out, Minion. Goodbye to you too. Then I have this another magic trick. Let me just... Okay. Okay, take out the fairy wand and just say /E dance. And stuff. And just start, and you should be here. And I went to the play area just because I can, even though in the game I'm like not a child. If I want to go down the slide, go down the slide. So then I have another magic trick with a. Whoa! What is this? You just saw that, right? Ugh. Lag. Why am I so laggy? I want to go down this slide. This one looks lumpy. The lumpy turd. Wee. But was I supposed to go flying up this? Hey, so let me just get ready when I do my next magic trick. Let me just exit this area. Oh yeah, aren't you asking like, Dolly, can't you do another magic trick to get out of here? And I'm too lazy to do that one right now. But okay. You just gotta hop again. And if this magic trick messes up, it's gonna be all guys' fault. Jump, jump, jump. I went wrong. I think I can get down from here. Let me sit down. Okay, let's hurry up and get down, diddy down, diddy 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 down. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm doing the magic trick. So tap, 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 and tap, tap, tap. Oh, it's gold now. See how it's gold, gold, gold. Yep, I made the Hartman's gold gold. Let's see if I can do this magic trick. Okay, so then we just gotta do the dance one again. Hopefully this one works. Okay, and let's see. Didn't work. A lot of dee, a lot of do, a lot of dum 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 dum. I'm gonna try to get to the treehouse that's over there. There. Oh, what the fuck was that? This is my jam. This is my jam. Finally that I'm here. Why does this treehouse look like poop? How much is this? This is my jam. There are so many stairs down. Okay, let's just do this trick. La. And now that I'm here, my fairy wand. There we go. And that we're here. Can't we wear like whatever? Oh, nope. I don't want to wear boy clothes. Okay, so let me show you how I did the magic trick. But first let me just reset. The magic trick is just to hold out the fairy wand and just pause it wherever you left off and hold it and then just go to the green button. Let me show you. This green button right there, that green button, and then just jump or do whatever thing you want to show them. See, the magic tricks don't actually work. I was just fooling you. Anyways, that's all for today. Peace. Love you. Bye.